Step 3.
बातचीत का सिलसिला जारी रखते हुए आइए रिहाइश से मुतालिक गुफ्तगू करते हैं।
Where do you live? Where are you living? Where is your residence? I am residing in Andheri. Where are you from? Where do you come from? Which is your hometown? Which is your native place? Where are you from? Or, where do you come from? My hometown is Jabalpur. I belong to Jabalpur. Where do you live? Which is your hometown? I belong to Chandigarh. I am a native of Chandigarh. How far is Chandigarh from Delhi? It is about 300 kilometers. How many hours drive? It's about 4 hours journey by road. How is the weather there like? Generally quite hot. What is the major occupation of the people? What do you people do there? Major occupation of the people is farming. What language do people there speak? They speak Punjabi. Punjabi is spoken there.
ख्याल रखा जाए बड़े शहरों के लिए इनका इस्तेमाल करें और छोटे शहरों या मोहल्लों के लिए एट का इस्तेमाल करें।
Where does he live? He lives at Andheri, Mumbai.